Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix this phone number cannot be used at this time, try again later, or cannot verify phone number in Apple ID. So this is a full tutorial on how to fix this, and this issue might persist onto your device because of region issues or the time or date issues onto your device. So what you could do is to head onto the settings of your device and right after click onto general. So once you're already in, click on the date and time, and you could go ahead and try to remove the toggle for set automatically. Make sure that you're onto the right time zone, click onto that, and search for your country or region. So that one is already right. Let's click onto that. Let's head back. And once that one is already set, or you have already changed it to the right one, you'll just have to restart your phone by clicking onto the down icon or the down volume button and the power button of your device. Make sure to press that one together and you should be able to see the screen to restart your device. So you'll just need to go ahead and do this, slide to power off, and then turn this back again and try to see if it is working already. Right after that, if that did not fix the issue, scroll down further as well until you find a language and region. So check if you're onto the right region in here, and then right after check also if you're onto the right calendar and make sure everything is set onto that one. So if that is not the right region, click onto the region in there, search for the right region, and this will go ahead and set up your region. Then right after, try to restart it again, and then right after, lastly, you could check also here onto the upper part of the settings here onto your profile. Just make sure that you have also set up in here the right region and the right time for that. So just click on the view account and this should open something like this. And here onto the account setting, make sure that you're onto the right region. So just go ahead and try to restart right after doing some changes onto your device and try to see if it is working already. If it's not, then it's time to go ahead and contact Apple support. So just search supportapple.com and reach for their support and try to discuss with them regarding the issue you're facing onto your device so that they could help you out on how to resolve that. And that is how to fix this phone number cannot be used at this time, try again on iPhone. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.